Morse Tunnel is of greater strategic importance to India in terms of its security. The tunnel provides a gateway for a rapid and effective dispatch of military troops to the stationed forces at the line of control and on the line of actual control. Incredible as it may seem, this tunnel is conceived as a breakthrough toward India's strategic and economic goals while it touches the shores of Ladakh and Kashmir during all seasons. A clear indication that this is more than just a breakthrough transport infrastructure. It is really a definitive, strong message against terrorism in the region. Challenges in construction. The Z-More tunnel construction site was intermittently visited and disturbed by terrorist activities. 7 workers were killed in an attack at the camp in October 2024. Still, despite all odds, timely completion was achieved in this project, a big achievement for the nation. Some of the tunnel features length and height. The tunnel is 6.5 km long with an 8,500 feet altitude. A stretch of the Srinagar-Leh highway reduces travel time over its arduous and avalanche-prone stretches to just 15 minutes. Winter accessibility. The tunnel guarantees that Ladakh will remain fully connected with Kashmir even during the winter months when most routes are blocked by snow. The Z-More tunnel carries tremendous strategic significance for India's national security, military support. The tunnel enables swift and effective military support, prompt access to the troops stationed along the line of control and line of actual control. It has made connectivity in this area even more imperative for India's defense since the 2020 clash between India and China over a slightly raised border. Is Zojila tunnel next in line? Ladakh MP Mohammad Hanifa Zain expressed hope that the Zojila tunnel will soon be completed, providing year-round connectivity to the Ladakh region. Questions that arise. Will the Z-More tunnel bring stability and peace to the region? Can this project accelerate economic growth in Ladakh and Kashmir? Does this inauguration mark a new benchmark in India's infrastructure development? The Z-More tunnel's inauguration is not merely a development milestone. It symbolizes India's resilience, determination, and strategic priorities.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.